Amtrak. That's the corridor, might not be. That's the eastern corridor, if you didn't know. That's the Acela, according to Amtrak. Anyways, guys, this will be your boy Michael Burnnuts to signing out in Moya, Brandon Junction, New South Wales, Australia. This will be your boy Michael Burnnuts to signing out here on the final Saturday here on Saturday, December 27th, 2025. We will see you back tomorrow morning, guys. Bye-bye. Brightline. Oh, that's for known. That train's known for deadly crashes. If you didn't know, Brightline, known for hitting cars on the railroad tracks.
There's Santa.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it. Union Pacific.
Heritage Unit.
New York Central, number 1066.
Heritage Unit.
It's owned by Norfolk Southern, guys.